Hi guys, I've just been reliably informed. I am in fact going to be eating Talangka. That is baby rice crabs. These are found throughout Asia. These were imported from the Philippines because the Philippines is blessed with natural resources, and this is actually found in the rice fields and the rice paddies, if you like, and they're found in rivers and they're found in the lakes, and as you can see, quite small. You can eat the whole thing. Yeah, well, let's try. This is my first time eating this type of crab. I've tried the mud crab. This one tastes different. This one's more crunchy and it's got more meat inside it. Delicious. I don't know if you can see the white meat, but it's really nice. Got a cucumber for it as well. The meat is very soft, very flavorful. I can't even say the word. Lots of flavour, lots of deliciousness. Okay guys, so I've got a question from my community. What is your favourite seafood? Let me know in the comments in the down below, and then I'll have a look, and then maybe I can feature that in a later video. But I know one thing about the Philippines, it's very blessed with seafood. Let's try it with a bit of sauce. This is banana ketchup. It's delicious. What I like about this is you don't need a sauce, you don't need any other ingredient, because it's delicious on its own. But if you put it with, say, cucumber, it just gives it that freshness. Right guys, I'm going to leave the video there. Thank you for watching, and as I say, if you have a recommendation for a food that you'd like me to try, specifically seafood, because, well, that's my favourite. It's delicious, especially in Asia. Being in the Philippines, the food in the Philippines is delicious. If you would like me to try something, maybe bag on, let me know in the comments. Alright guys, until the next one, ingat ka.